on automotive manufacturing. You know, a modern car is probably the most complex thing you'll ever own. And getting one built, it's like a perfectly timed ballet of thousands of different parts. Okay, so first up, the skeleton of the car. Giant presses literally stamp the car's frame from huge coils of steel and aluminum. Then robots take over for the welding. And this isn't just about speed, it's about safety. A human can't make that perfect, identical weld every single time, but a robot can. That's what ensures the car is structurally sound. Second, the exterior. After the frame is built, body panels like the doors and hood are aligned with super tight gap measurements. This cuts down on wind noise. Then comes the paint. And it's not just for looks. Robots apply multiple layers to create a shield against rust and corrosion. And finally, it all comes together. The powertrain and electronics get installed using smart tools that make sure every single bolt is perfectly tightened. Now, robots do the heavy lifting for sure, but getting the interior just right still takes a skilled human touch. Then, before any car leaves, it goes through a whole battery of tests on every single system. So really, it's this amazing mix of material science, pinpoint automation, and just obsessive quality control. Something to think about next time you get behind the wheel.
Excellent work. Let's sign off on this.
Efficiency metrics are up by 15% this quarter.
The new calibration sequence is working perfectly.